What do you feel today?
Hi. Compared to other days.
Yeah.
Okay. This afternoon, our focus is to discuss about political party governance and to clarify probably to the public and the media on processes of political party governance so that the misinformation, misinterpretation of facts are cleared from this particular communication. One, a political party is formed and registered on the basis of officials holding in public trust for the members. In Kenya, for political party to be registered, you require about 24,000 members, at least 1,000 members in 24 counties, which in law is more than half of the counties. And it is through that membership and people who register a political party who then come up with the officials of the political party and registration. And from the officials, then the officials are expected to form particular structures within a political party and then create different organs of a political party that works in trust for the people who are members of that particular political party. It is important to note that political parties in themselves are institutions of governance, and governance and democracy is hosted in the people in that particular party. And I have said clearly that the officials then hold brief on behalf of the different members. That holding brief give them powers to make certain decisions for the political party, and therefore then when we are looking at the regulation of political parties, because the Office of Registrar of Political Parties is a regulator, we look so much at whether the party has followed its own instruments, the party constitution, the Political Parties Act, and the processes that they have set out in the constitution and in their instrument to ensure then democratic governance happens within a party. Therefore, we are concerned as an institution because of parties when they are going through wrangles. There are quite a number, 1 or 2, 3 parties that are going through processes and disputes. And disputes are normal in a political party because a political party is where political opinion is given. So sometimes there may be difference in opinion because it is within a political party. But what matters and what is of concern to us is how the officials and the people who have been given the mandate by the party through the party dispute resolution and other processes through the party officials, how they then handle that dispute to conclusion so that the party remains strong and continues studying for purposes of why it was registered. In the current Political Parties Act, we have stipulated in law the role of a political party. And it is important to note one of the roles of a political party is to churn public opinion, present candidates for elections, and also give public opinion on different matters. And then also encourage and promote good governance in every place. So it is our take that we have 90 registered political parties, that the 90 political parties should be able to really embrace good governance within political parties. There should be consultation and discussion within political parties so that the members of that political parties feel very comfortable that they are being represented by the officials that they have elected. When issues of dispute and issues of governance come before us, what is important to us is to check the process. The process is very important to us, how the process of each process has been done by the respective organ of the party, and whether it is within the constitution of that party to do what is required. For example, if you call a meeting, does the meeting meet a quorum? Because the quorum is always set in the party constitution. If you give notice, is the notice according to the law? So we actually do not, and I want to categorically clear that we do not make decisions for the party on whom they want to stay with and whom they want to remove, or whom they want to make this change from this position to this other position. The parties themselves, through the processes that are set in their party constitution, then that set the ball rolling. So we wanted to clarify that, so that all kind of misinformation, like the registrar is making decision, and I'm here with, of course, my assistant registrar and a few head of departments. We do not make decisions for political parties. It's political parties that sit down, come up with decision. What we do is to regulate the manner in which that is done, so that those decisions are then following their party constitution, and they are following the Political Parties Act and other law. We determine what has been set before us using the parameters of the law and the processes thereof that have been set by law. We do not determine what the party, the decisions are made by the party as we implement what the party has brought to us, provided it has followed the law and the party constitution as required. Okay. One, we received the order today. The order was served to us today. We were not aware that there were orders, but the decision about the removal of the members was made on Friday. So to us, we have not acted against the law, because we made the decision before the orders. So that's leave it as a court process from there, what the court will say and determine our decision, because there's already a case. That order is, of course, is tied to a case that has already been filed. So those are discussions probably that should go on in court, because our decision was on Friday, and the orders we were served today, dated yesterday. The order is dated yesterday, we served today. We served all those people affected by that decision through email. So they were just correcting today the hard copies of the letters. And that's why how we communicate. Even them, they actually give us documents through emails, and we print them and we act on them.